Welcome to Math Challenge 632. Math Challenge for all school exams, junior and senior Olympiads and all competitive examinations. In Math Challenge 632, we have got a circle and three lines, straight lines, of which only one is a chord. 5 centimeter length, that is a chord, and others are incomplete chords. And we have to find the radius of the circle. Math Challenge 632. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of the 5 centimeter chord. The perpendicular bisector of the 5 centimeter chord, it will serve two purposes. First, the 5 centimeter chord is bisected, so each will be 2.5. See the red font. The 5 centimeter chord is bisected, so you get each segment equal to 2.5. So the chord is bisected into 2.5 segment and 2.5 segment. So first we draw the perpendicular bisector, but this perpendicular bisector is going to serve another purpose. The perpendicular bisector will serve another purpose. The center of the circle must be on this straight line. The center of the circle must be on the perpendicular bisector of the chord. Whenever you have a chord, the perpendicular bisector must pass through the center. So the center of the circle lies on this perpendicular bisector. Now extend this 4 centimeter line vertically till y. This 4 centimeter line, we extend it as shown by dotted line up till y. Now y may or may not be the center. If y is not the center, let O be the center. If y is not the center, then let O be the center, and supposing this OY is equal to x centimeters. And if y happens to be the center, then the points O and y will coincide, so x will be equal to 0. So for the time being, let us suppose y is not the center, so O is the center and OY equal to x. But if y happens to be the center, then this OY will be equal to 0. From O, draw the radius. See the red line. Draw the radius. From O, draw the radius. Now, look at the blinking right angle triangle. The blinking right angle triangle. So, radius is the hypotenuse. So, r square is equal to, the total is given 6 and this OY equal to x. So, the remaining part base will be 6 minus x. So r square will be equal to 6 minus x whole square plus altitude is 2.5, so plus 2.5 whole square. So r square equal to 6 minus x whole square plus 2.5 whole square, that is r square equal to 36 plus x square minus 12x plus 6.25, or r square equal to 42.25 plus x square minus 12x. From this right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem, the base is 6 minus x, the altitude is 2.5 and the hypotenuse is a radius. So r square equal to 42.25 plus x square minus 12x. Now here we get another right angle triangle by joining the center O and the point P. So OP is the radius and also the hypotenuse. So we get r square equal to x square, that is the distance between O and y, plus 6.5 whole square, 4, and this is 2.5, half of this chord, we bisected it. So 4 plus 2.5, 6.5, and the base OY, that is x, and the hypotenuse is the radius. So r square equal to x square plus 6.5 whole square, that is r square equal to x square plus 42.25, or r square equal to 42.25 plus x square. So from this right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem, r square equal to 6.5 whole square plus x square, or r square equal to 42.25 plus x square. So write down the equations we got from the two right angle triangles using Pythagoras formula. R square equal to 42.25 plus x square and r square equal to 42.25 plus x square minus 12x. Subtract. When you subtract, you get 0 equal to 12x. So 0 equal to 12x, x equal to 0. Right? When you subtract, r square will cancel. 42.25 and 42.25 will cancel. X square and x square will cancel. So you'll get 0 equal to 12x or x equal to 0. So we got x equal to 0. That means this distance OY equal to 0. OY equal to 0 implies that the point O and the point Y will coincide. So O and Y are not two different points. O and Y are the same point. That means Y is the center. The point O and the point Y will coincide. That means Y is the center. So Py will be equal to 4 plus 2.5, that is 6.5. So the required radius is 6.5. Otherwise, we got x equal to 0. So put x equal to 0 in any one of the equations. We got two equations. So put in any one of the equations x equal to 0. So the x part will become 0. So r square equal to 42.25, that is 6.5 whole square. That is r equal to 6.5. That was math challenge. Follow us for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative aptitude and numerical aptitude, and all competitive exams. And remember, all our services are entirely free of charge for students all over the world. So students from anywhere in the globe can contact us with their question and their problem. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and be with us. We will meet again with more useful videos, more interesting questions. Till then, thank you and goodbye.